Seekers, I'm Nick. I thought I would do something a little bit different today, and instead of like doing a normal formatted video, I wanted to do an unboxing, like a classic unboxing of the Classic RGB S360 kit by EK. Now this isn't a typical format that we would do on the channel, but we've been waiting for a bunch of new cases to arrive to actually do a build and like maybe an install with this. But it just hasn't arrived yet, and you know, that's how the internet works, that's how things in life work. So instead of like not showing you anything, because we've had this sitting here for a couple weeks, I wanted to share with you what actually comes in the box. And the reason why, I know you could go to EK's website and see the pictures of everything in the kit, but I figured that it would probably be more beneficial if I showed you, because yeah, it's more tangible that way. So yeah, let's take a look at the Classic RGB S360 kit from EK. Yeah, roll the intro. Yeah, like I mentioned in the intro, I wanted to do this a little bit differently today just because, yeah, I just want to change it up and see if you guys like this style of video, just a bit more uncut and raw and all that other jazz. So yeah, let's check out what's in this kit. It's so weird to do this unscripted. I don't know how this opens. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, let's take a look at what's in this big old box. Let's take a look. All right, what do we got here? Ooh, we have some soft tubing. There's some soft tubing to plumb up your loop. This is some soft tubing. I don't know why I'm being weird today. Okay, let's move on. See what else we got in here. We have an AM4 bracket for mounting the Classic water block. This is nice to have. I think the Intel bracket's probably already installed on it, so we'll find out when we get a little bit deeper. Let's keep digging. There is a SATA to Pwm Fan Connector. It's a little connector that goes onto your power supply that will turn your power supply on without actually being connected up to a motherboard. This is good for when you're filling your loop. It's also good to have another one of these. I've got a stack of them, but yeah, another one's always nice. What else? Okay. We've got some Cryo fuel clear concentrate. Now you'll probably want to mix this with some distilled water. This has just got all the stuff in it for anti-corrosion, and yeah, it's all of that stuff. It's got, let's see, it's got corrosion inhibitors and biological inhibitors. So yeah, that's basically what that is. Good stuff. Okay, let's just get all the little stuff out of the way. There is a 3-to-1 Pwm Splitter. Nice. There's a 4-way RGB splitter for your RGB fans that come with this kit. It's not addressable RGB. Sorry to disappoint you, but that's just how it is. There is another 4-way RGB splitter. So there's actually 2 of these in the kit. What else have we got in here, ladies and gents? Okay, I think we're getting to some of the bigger stuff. Okay, we've got soft tube compression fittings. There should be 6 in here. You only need to have 6. Now the thing is with these soft tube loops is to drain them, it's really easy. You can literally just pull the whole loop out of the system without draining it if you're careful. So yeah, you can just hold it over the sink and drain it that way if you really want. Let's see what else we got in here. We have a installation guide, which is helpful if you haven't done water cooling before. These kits are really easy to install. You'll see me installing it with a build coming very, very soon. There is a big Allen key for all of the fittings. That's the size that EK uses for all of the like plugs and whatnot. And yeah, it's a big guy. I'm not trying to be too technical here on purpose because a lot of people won't actually understand what this stuff is. So I'm just trying to make it easy. Okay, let's see. Okay, what do we got in here? Let's get some of this stuff open so we can take a closer look. It's the EK Uni Holder Spider. Let's take this out so we can take a bit of a closer look. Basically, this will allow you to mount the res and the pump res combo to a 120mm fan, which is quite nice. Yeah, let's take a look at the pump and res. Let's move this box to the side so we have a little bit more space now. Okay, I have the technology. This is my unboxing knife. I've been using this for unboxing for about 3 years now, so yeah, sorry if it's not to your liking. Let's get this pump res combo open so we can take a bit of a closer look. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. We've got this will stop turbulence in your pump and res, quite nice. It's also got some Allen keys and all the fittings, well, bolts to actually mount it. Let's get it out. There is a PWM extension cable for extending the PWM signal for this pump. So this pump res combo actually has an RGB connector on it, as well as a PWM connector. A lot of the pumps and stuff you'll find will have like a PWM connector and a Molex connector, but yeah, this is good. I actually like that they've made this nice and easy to connect up, and it won't be a pain to power. So yeah, very, very nice. Thanks EK for that. Okay, let's keep it going, ladies and gentlemen. What else do we have in here in this kit? Okay, now here's some of the fun stuff. This is the ek-supremacy Classic RGB water block. Let's crack it open so we can have a little bit of a look to see what we're looking at. All right, so we've got the springs and all of the mounting hardware for Intel 11.5X and 20XX sockets. There's also additional jet plate in here as well, which is nice to have. There is the mounting hardware, or rather the back plates for Intel sockets as well. And let's get the water block out. And like I mentioned, it does actually already have the Intel mounting hardware on it. I like these blocks, they look super nice. And there is also some ectotherm thermal paste as well. So yeah, you do get some thermal paste with it too. There's 3 EKWB Evo RGB 120mm fans that fit on the 360mm radiator that's also with the kit. These are quite nice looking fans. They're not addressable RGB, so please don't get upset at EK for not doing that. I'm pretty sure they've got something else in the future planned. Trust me, it's gonna be cool. And last but not least is an EK 360mm. I think this is the Coolstream Classic SE. It's a 360mm radiator. It's the slim one. I prefer these for builds that I like to do because they're just smaller. Obviously the surface area isn't as large, but yeah, that's how we go. These are very, very nice. And you'll notice that these are also copper radiators too. So yeah, you'll get better cooling performance. And yeah, copper's just nicer to work with. But that's basically it for the EK kit. I don't know what to do now. That was awkward. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a non-traditional Gear Seekers unboxing and first look. We don't really do these type of videos that much anymore, but I wanted to show you guys what comes with this kit because I'm quite excited about it. We do have a build coming with it. The only issue was we're just waiting for a case to arrive to actually do it with. The case should be here sometime today, which I'm pretty excited about. So later in the week, there will be a build. So the Classic RGB S360 kit is releasing here in Australia on the 20th of August, and I think it's going for around 409 Australian dollars or around 279 US dollars. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, you know what to do, and tell us what you hated about it. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek, and yeah, a little bit of a older style Gear Seekers video, but yeah, I just wanted to wet the whistles, so to speak, to get you guys excited for this build that we're doing with this kit. Thanks for watching.